Pressure washers are the ultimate tool for tackling tough outdoor cleaning jobs. From dirty driveways and moldy decks to grimy siding and vehicles, the best pressure washers combine powerful performance, ease of use, and durability to help you get the job done faster and more efficiently. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, there's a model to suit every cleaning need and budget. Number 1. Sun Joe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Sun Joe SPX 3000 is one of the most popular pressure washers on the market. If you're not looking for anything specific and you just want a reliable and powerful workhorse, you can stop reading and click the buy button now. If you are interested in the details, let's get into them. The two most important stats are water pressure, 2030 psi, and water flow, 1.76 GPM. You can use these two measurements to see how this stacks up against other pressure washers on the market. It's not the most powerful pressure washer available, but it's certainly above average. For car washing, patio cleaning, and general cleaning, it has all the power you need. Like a lot of modern pressure washers, the Sun Joe SPX 3000 has an all-in-one design. That means the motor, detergent tank, hose, and gun are all attached to one body. This makes it easy to store and makes sure you don't lose any of the important parts. Number 2. Westinghouse WPX 2700 Pressure Washer. The question of whether to buy an electric or gas-powered pressure washer isn't an easy one to answer. Gas pressure washers are more powerful, but they're more expensive to buy and run. Electric pressure washers are easier to move around and still have enough power for most applications. The Westinghouse WPX 2700 is an interesting middle ground. It's gas-powered, but it costs around the same price as a high-end electric pressure washer. Maybe it's the perfect answer to this debate over gas versus electric power? The 212 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine provides 2,700 psi, enough to outperform all of the electric pressure washers on this list. That means you can use it for serious cleaning tasks like deep cleaning concrete and preparing surfaces for painting. The pull-along trolley design makes it easy to maneuver around, and it keeps everything in a neat and contained space. It's also worth mentioning the 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose, which gives you a lot of room to move around. Number 3. Westinghouse WPX 3000E Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX 3000E Electric Pressure Washer, with max 3000 psi and max 1.76 GPM, is designed to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs the ease of electric. Built with a powerful heavy-duty AC 120V electric engine and a maintenance-free axial cam pump, with 5 interchangeable nozzle tips and a built-in 1.7L soap tank. The WPX 3000E has the versatility to handle a variety of situations and surfaces including brick, stone, concrete, wood, aluminum, and iron. The never-flat wheels and 35-foot GFCI cord offer easy mobility and maneuverability, allowing you to get into those hard-to-reach places with the toughest grime. Make all your deep cleaning projects easier than ever before with the Westinghouse WPX 3000E Pressure Washer. Number 4. TOOLCY 3400 Pressure Washer. This heavy-duty residential gas pressure washer is powered by an upgraded engine and features a durable, long-lasting pump. It delivers up to 3,400 psi and 2.8 GPM of water pressure, allowing you to efficiently blast through dirt, grime, and stains on decks, patios, furniture, house siding, and more. This gas-powered power washer is powered by an enhanced, low-vibration 212 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke OHV engine with an easy recoil start. It provides powerful cleaning performance and supports up to 2 hours of continuous use. The built-in smart oil sensor prevents engine damage due to low oil levels, extending the engine life by 24% longer than the industry average. Our gas-powered pressure washer is equipped with a maintenance-free axial pump that provides 42% more run time than comparable models and enhanced soap flow output. Additionally, the 0.88-gallon onboard soap tank allows for uninterrupted cleaning. These upgrades improve the efficiency and effectiveness of soap application, ensuring a thorough clean. This power washer kit includes a durable extended 35-foot pressure hose, a steel pressure wand, and an ergonomic pressure handle gun with a swivel inlet that supports kink-less use, and 5 quick connect nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees soap for various cleaning tasks. Convenient onboard storage keeps all accessories organized, reducing clutter and simplifying transport and setup. Number 5. Karcher K1700 Pressure Washer. The Karcher K1700 is a versatile electric pressure washer ideal for all-around cleaning. With a 1,700 psi CDUB certified true pressure output and a GPM of 1.2, this power washer is easy to use for any homeowner and offers convenient features for efficient cleaning. The kit includes 3 different spray nozzles with a universal quick connect fitting, a 15 degrees nozzle for regular cleaning tasks, a turbo nozzle for intense cleaning power, and a 65 degrees soap nozzle for applying detergent and achieving a sparkling finish. The integrated detergent tank on the top of the unit makes it easy to apply your favorite pressure washer detergents. For added convenience, the detergent tank is removable to fill and clean when needed. Thanks to the 3 different nozzles, the K1700 can be used to clean cars, patios, fencing, decks, and much more. The integrated storage container on the back of the unit keeps the trigger gun, hose, and spray wand securely stored away while not in use, ensuring everything stays organized. The nozzles can be secured on the handle when not in use, so you never misplace one ever again. Keep the power cord neatly organized using the cord wrap on the handle, where you can also store the power plug. The portable power washer features never flat tires, so you can transport and use the unit anywhere on your property. No tools are needed for the assembly of the K1700, so you can start cleaning as soon as it arrives. The on-off foot switch provides easy power control, allowing you to turn the pressure washer on and off with a simple tap of your foot. Water flow is controlled separately through the trigger gun. This set includes the K1700, a pressure washer gun, a spray wand, a 15 degrees nozzle, a 65 degrees nozzle, a turbo nozzle, an adapter for 3/4-inch garden hose, a removable detergent tank, and AM 2218 feet pressure washer hose.